Without gutters and without downspouts, you're going to have flooding. Now, one thing that you run into, especially on porches, is when that downspout has to come down and then tie into this beautiful post. Now it's going to look ugly. What's the solution? It's a rain chain. This is a beautiful, sleek design. It's going to allow the water to come down from the gutter, down the rain chain into our drain box. And it is beautiful to look at when it rains. Has a little bit of a therapeutic value to it. So rain chains, a great choice when looking at how to get water from the roof to the ground around a porch.